Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO. And over here on the guitar, on the gitojigan, is the lovely and the talented Natasha. How you doing, BOOZHOO, sweetie? Say hello to these people.
BOOZHOO, Gakina! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show!
I like how you said that. Today we got a request to do another Pink Floyd tune. So this is another one we'd like to do for the folks. And our Ojibwe, before we do that, our Ojibwe word of the day. Onaabani Giizis. Crust on a snow moon. Onaabani Giizis. This is how the Anishinaabe, this is how we called this time of year. March. Isn't that right, sweetie?
It sure is!
And so Onaabani Giizis. Crust on a snow moon. And that's because, this time of year in northern Minnesota, it's still very much winter. But the sun comes out during the day, and it starts to melt the snow. Water was just dripping off the roof. And, it starts to get really nice. It's really nice out right now. And Onaabani Giizis, but then tonight it'll get cold again. It'll freeze up. And so it creates a crust on the snow moon. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. And your Ojibwe song of the day is by Pink Floyd. And this song is called Paranoid Eyes. From kind of a underappreciated album, The Final Cut. Everyone's like, the dark side of the moon. The wall. But The Final Cut is like a really great album. So anyway, this is from that album.
Button your lip and don't let the shield slip. Take a fresh grip on your bulletproof mask. And if they try to break down your disguise with their questions, you can hide, hide, hide. Behind paranoid eyes. You put on your brave face and slip over the road for a jar, fixing your grin as you casually lean on the bar, laughing too loud at the rest of the world with the boys in the crowd. You can hide, hide, hide. Behind paranoid eyes. Believed in their stories of fame, fortune, and glory. Now Now you're lost in a haze of alcohol and soft middle age. The pie in the sky turned out to be miles too high. And you hide, hide, hide. Behind brown and mild eyes.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha, and I will see you again. Giga Min, Minowa, Hoa. All right. Oh, wow, that was really good guitar playing there, sweetie.
Ah, thanks.